Here's how to recover deleted TikTok messages. So if you accidentally deleted a TikTok message or a conversation, you can recover it. So open your TikTok application on your mobile device and log into your account. And if you deleted a conversation or a chat on TikTok, you can still find it. So go to your profile by tapping on the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then after, tap on the three lines in the top right corner and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now from this page, you need to tap on Account. Now tap on Download Your Data. You'll see that this includes your direct messages. Select Direct Messages and tap on Request Data. And once ready, tap on Download, and this will download a zip file to your phone. Open your zip files app and go to your phone and then go to Downloads, and you'll see a zip folder named TikTok. Tap it to unzip it and tap the extracted folder and open the direct messages file, and you'll be able to see all of your messages, even the deleted ones. You can recover them by copying them and saving them elsewhere on your device to keep a record, even if they are deleted from the TikTok app. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.